Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this e-scooter. All right friends, so right here we have this front portion. This can just lift up and fold that out. If you need to put it in the trunk of your car, fits in there nicely. And just close that. Has this nice little kickstand. Boom, get it going. Have the different modes here with the eco mode, and it'll give you like a lot longer range but less speed. And then obviously the D driving into super mode basically. So goes the fastest, goes up to what, like 19 miles an hour. Pretty sweet. And it's got these brakes here are work really well too. These nice little disc brakes here. So we're gonna take it out for a little drive here and show you guys there. All right, we can turn on the lights too, headlight, just by double tapping the power button here. On comes the front light and also the tail light, so it keeps you safe at night. It's pretty cool. This thing is really sturdy. You see how solid it is. It's just like a big old hunk of metal here. Nice rubber here, really good traction on this so you don't slip and slide if it's a little bit wet or whatever. Just really happy with this thing, the design. It's a lot of fun to ride around. Nice little transportation device here. Got a little storage up here also. So pretty sweet scooter, my friends. Even has a little bell right here. The grips are really good. The brakes work amazingly well too. Just a lot of fun. The throttle is right here, super easy to use. Just push down with your thumb if you want to go, and we'll show you guys the app here. But check out those disc brakes. The wheels too, they have like these holes in them, so they're solid rubber, and but they still absorb a little bit of the bumps and stuff like that. All right, so this is pretty sweet, guys. It goes really fast. Got the lights on the front. A great idea for Christmas gifts or something like that. A lot of fun to ride, actually. Get a little way to transport if you don't have too far to go. Has an app also, so you can lock it so other people can't use it. Just a really sweet little device here. Hey, look at this thing. It's going pretty fast. Try to keep up here. I can't, he's going too fast. Okay, here we go. Let's a little ride here. See, it goes pretty fast. Stop sign here. Just give a little push, and then you can go. But yeah, we're cruising along pretty fast here. 16 miles an hour, 17. Nice and this thing goes pretty good here. I want to turn around, just kind of lean while you're turning. And there we go. So this is a lot of fun, actually. Cover a pretty good distance also. I've been using this, and my son's been riding it for quite a bit, and it's still full battery charge and everything. So this thing's a lot of fun, my friends. A lot of fun to ride here. Anyways, well, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. This thing is just a blast to ride. It's a lot of fun. My boy loves it. He takes it all over the place. All right, guys, so we can check out the app right here. It's got all these things on here. A bunch of different things. You can turn on the tail light on, change the miles per hour to kilometers, cruise control, fixed speed. Go back, it shows the speedometer on there, the battery life, how many miles you've gone. You can lock it. So if we lock it or unlock it, if we lock the device here, I'll show you guys real quick and see what happens if someone tries to steal it when it's locked. All right, so then it's got this little thing right here. So you try to push it or anything, it's gonna beep and like the tires, the front tire will go like backwards. So right here, if I try to take it like this, it won't let you take it. The wheels lock up. It also goes backwards and forward. So, and it makes a beeping noise. So if someone's trying to like ride off on your scooter, you can just put it like, they can still carry it off, but they're not gonna be able to ride off. So another nice little feature there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching.